Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this ancient civilization outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one, and then you're going to color it with the black color, and you're going to choose this fur hat and apply this pattern, and then select this hat as well and apply the same pattern for all the selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to move to this area. Okay guys, and the next one, you're going to put on this jacket, and then you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the next selection you're going to apply this color. Just make them have the same color. Okay, and I'm going to select this skirt as well, and I'm going to apply the same color for the first selection until the third selection. Okay, it's done, and then I'm going to select this boot, and I'm going to apply this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and for the next selection I'm going to color it with this color. Oops, this color. Okay, for the fur and the ribbon. Okay, done, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to put on this pants, and I'm going to apply this color. Okay, and I'm going to select this suit, and I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then for the next one, I'm going to apply this color, and then I'm going to put on this item, and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and sorry guys, I'm going to go back to this area and put on the sleeves, and for this one I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, for the cuffs and trims, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this bag, and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the changing room and then go to the coats item, and I'm going to select this item and color it with this color. Sorry, this one. And for the next color, I'm going to make it this color, and for the last one, make it this color. Okay, and I forgot one more item guys. You can put on this item again. You can go to this area and put on this item, and then you're going to apply this pattern. And for the shawl, you can apply this pattern as well, this one. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.